It's time to trade now the Pound JPY on a deal of the day video, and before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm happy to say that my last weekly analysis so far going well, with the EURUSD at least, running in around 50 pips of profit. So this signal has actually been sent on the last weekly analysis video. Meanwhile, Pound USD did not really work as planned, unfortunately. And as we can see, has already exceeded the edge of the safe zone. USDCHF was somehow, I would say, a good signal. It reversed just like 3 or 4 pips far away from the entry, and it's running so far in what we can call it as 73 pips of profit. So again, I'm not really sure if we can take any credit for the signal, but at least it's going in the right direction and almost reversed from the entry. Now, Pound JPY. What we can do next with this pair? Now let's move to the weekly chart. So everyone knows here that our plan is always identifying the direction based on the weekly chart and daily chart. After that, we will switch to the 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to find the exact entry where we can place our buy or sell. Let's now begin with the weekly chart. Now, weekly chart shows me here a strong bullish reversal happening from the support zone right here at 190.850. The current price action here indicates that the Pound JPY most likely is going to continue the rise, and if it does, it's going to continue the rise till it reaches the resistance right here at 197.711, which was also a strong key level of a resistance in the past. Also, we can see that the Pound JPY is facing actually a strong upper trend, as the pair has just actually reversed a few weeks ago from this level of a supported trend line, and so far, let me just tell you something. When the market actually rising on an upper trend, it doesn't really attempt to reverse on the second attempt of a resistance. It usually does on the second attempt of the support, of course, climbing its way. But when it faces a previous level of a resistance, it doesn't attempt to reverse at it. Most likely, it will actually continue the rise. So again, the reason to say that is the current price action that we have with these 3 candles, which indicates that the Pound JPY most likely again is going to continue the rise. Not only that, of course, let's now take a look at the daily chart. So now, weekly chart confirmed me that the market seems to be bullish. Now let's confirm this again by looking at the daily chart. So right now, daily chart here shows me that the market has just made here a bullish breakout from the resistance at 194.524. As you can see, we had here a structure. Let me just show it to you if I can. Exactly just like this. So here you have actually a structure that has been broken out from. Now remember, we are talking about an upper trend. Look at that. Look at how many attempts of a support we have right on the same area. We have here attempt. Actually, this is daily chart, guys. Daily chart meaning each candle represents a whole attempt. So meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 attempts of a support right on the same area. Meanwhile, as a resistance, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Maybe 5 if you want to. But with the bullish breakout candle happened right here, the market actually has a chance to continue the fall again, to retest the same level of a support right here exactly at 194.524, and after that might actually continue the rise. But we need more confirmation that we can indeed do that. Now, on daily chart again, what we can see right here is another broken level of a resistance trend line. So here we have a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, then a bullish breakout candle, and as we all know, if we have of course a resistance trend line has been broken out from with a bullish breakout candle, the market most likely will continue the fall to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line to create here exactly a new support trend line, especially if you are of course on an upper trend. That most likely is going to happen. So again, daily chart again confirms me that the Pound JPY most likely is going to be bullish. Now, moving to the 4-hour time frame to find our exact entry. Where exactly we can find our entry to buy the Pound JPY? From my point of view, let me just share with you something. Right here, check this out. So here we have a resistance, and then here a bullish breakout candle. Let me just now tell you something. If you would like always to have an exact and very sharp entry, when the market breaks out from a resistance and creates a new support. So you have here, of course, a resistance, a bullish breakout candle, and then a support. The safest, or actually the most accurate level to start buying is always going to be at the same level of the highest wick, which is the nearest one to the bullish breakout candle. So meaning, for example, if I can bring examples right now, Let me just try to find, I don't know if the time helps me here actually to show you examples. I need to find example. I cannot really see it right now. Am I missing something here? For example, we have here, of course, a resistance zone. And we would like to know where exactly is the best level to start buying the market when, after seeing here a bullish breakout candle, the market has actually created a new level of support. Check this out. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So here we have, check this out. So right here we can see clearly. I don't know if you guys get what I'm talking about. Here exactly, we have, of course, a resistance. And then this is the bullish breakout candle. And look at that. Buying right here was accurate. Not here, no, buying it right here. Why? Because this is the nearest resistance right here, or nearest wick to that bullish breakout candle. That's why buying right here was actually a good idea. Let me just now take you to the current time, because I think it's gonna be bad to talk about the past. So right now we can see here clearly that we had here, of course, a broken level of a resistance, and then here on the left we can see that we had also a strong key level of a support, which most likely is gonna be respected. Not only that, but again, here also on the 4-hour time frame, we can see a clearly level of a broken resistance trend line. So there is a chance that the candle might actually be ranging against us by 26 pips only, which is really fine. We just have to wait for the pair to fall to another 50 pips before we can start buying it. If we do, we can actually target the previous level of a real resistance and the support right here exactly. As you can see, we had here the nearest level of a real support to our entry, exactly right here at 194.755, aiming the resistance right here exactly also at 197.057. So therefore, we are actually aiming around 230 pips profit with this signal. However, the same zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance, a support as well, right here exactly. A support as well right here and right there and right there at 193.887, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 85 pips only against 230 pips of profit. And there goes our new deal on the pound GPY, my friends. And again, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal, such as this one right here, which I have sent it on the gold last week. This was really a winner. The gold actually has reversed exactly from my entry to buy at 2,700. Then later, I have followed it up later with another signal to buy on a second level at 2,709, and that was a winner signal as well. So you can see, if you are a part of the Xtreme Trader channel on Telegram, you can get to receive exclusive signals as well right here, and you can get direct messages from me to know what to do next about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.